This video is for general education and demonstration purpose only. It is not an exercise plan designed specifically for you. It may not be appropriate for your individual situation. Consult with your healthcare provider before doing these exercises. Do these exercises at your own risk.
Hi everyone, this is Coach Tierney from Prehab, coming to you today to talk to you about your hips. Now, remember, the hip is part of that whole thigh, quad, hamstring, knee area, and it works with movement. So we have been pretty much for the last year just sitting around, unable to get out and move and do all the activities that we were doing prior to this pandemic. So now that things are starting to open up, we also have to open up some of the joints in our body to get moving. So one simple exercise is basically going to help your hip flexors. And it's the hip flexion exercise. So you're gonna stand and you're just gonna slowly kind of extend your leg out and back down, out and back down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, give yourself a couple of seconds, and you want to do that on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that's one set. Rest for about 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Repeat for a second set, and then you want to do a third set. So that's 3 sets of 10. Remember, one on 10 on the right side, then do 10 on the left and relax. This is a really good exercise to get those hips moving and loosened up so that you can start moving and get outside, back to your activity, whatever you were doing before we got shut down. Let's open up our hips. Let's get back outside and start moving. This is Coach Tierney from Prehab. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Leave a like and comment below if you like our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and remember, stay healthy and stay pain-free.